Hey guys, I hope each and every one of you is having an awesome day today. I just want to make a quick video about a modification that I recently did to the Cummins, and I really like it. First of all though, I wanted to thank everybody who's subscribed so far, all 5 of you. Thank you so much for subscribing. You really don't know how much that means to me. Every single time I get a new subscriber, it's like a little victory for me, which is awesome. So please go ahead and subscribe. Because you really don't know how much that means to me. Okay, so the modification I did, basically what it is, it's the mystery switch or the lockout switch for your torque converter. And I just wanted to do a little disclaimer here really quick. You know, I'm not saying that you should do this. I'm not saying it's safe to do this. And I'm not going to tell you how to do it. However, I'm just saying it's an option, and it's kind of cool, and it could be good for towing, and it could be good for, you know, if you ever find yourself drag racing or something like that. So really what this video is about is, it's not about you should do this necessarily, but it's something, you know, that's an option that could be fun. Okay guys, so I'm going to try to do my best to explain what I did to install the lockout switch as best as I can, so bear with me here. Gotta grab my handy little step stool here. Okay, so on the passenger side of your truck, behind the airbox, against the firewall, there's your computer. And what you want to do is, there's the white module part of your computer right here, the middle one. There is an orange wire with a black stripe down it, and you want to tap into that. And then what you want to do is you want to take that wire and run it all the way around through your firewall and into your cab, and run it to a switch. And then from the switch you run another wire to a ground. I just grounded it to my battery to be safe. So the only other step to this is you have to run a jumper cable through a relay over here, which is in the fuse box on the driver's side. It's right behind the battery. And you just run it where the relay was, right there. You can kind of see how it's positioned. And really quick, hopefully you can hear this over my dad's diesel running in the background, but it is the transmission relay is what that relay is called. So you just remove it and then run the jumper wire through that. And that's all you do, guys. It's a really simple install, really easy. You just want to make sure that you either solder everything good or connect all the wiring well, so that way you don't have any issues. And I really like the switch so far. It's been kind of a fun little thing, and it really makes the truck feel a lot more performance oriented. But again, just be careful with it. Definitely, if you're running a stock transmission, definitely take that into consideration, and just kind of do some research and figure out what the limits are to your truck. And with that, guys, I know it was kind of a short video. I just wanted to get one out there, and I wanted to show you guys what I did. Look for more videos in the future that are coming up, potentially of the Toyota here pretty soon. I'd like to do a walk around of that and maybe do some flex testing with that. So watch for me in the future. Peace.